Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
And welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple of weeks since I last posted, and the reason for that is because we have been completely renovating our house and I don't want you guys to see until it's done. So we're in my bedroom today and I'm sure you guys can see the mess around me because it's absolutely insane. It's insane. I've been like anything that's in the living room or the kitchen or the bathroom or whatever that doesn't really have a home since we're renovating, I've just been shoving it all in here, and now it's mayhem in my bedroom. So I wanted to take today and really focus on cleaning up my bedroom, doing some decluttering in here, doing some organization in here, because it's just gross. And I've been living like this for weeks now, and I am ready to have my nice, calm, relaxing space back, because I am a person that I need to feel nice and calm and relaxed in my bedroom. That's like my space, and it's chaos in here, and I feel like it affects mental health and even just motivation, right? When you wake up and the first thing you see around you is mess, it affects you, right? Your whole productivity for the day, it just immediately wants to go down. So I'm going to show you the room. And then we're just gonna go from there. Okay, so as always, I mean, this is full of stuff. This is just stuff without a home, basically. I have laundry all over the place. My bed is a mess. I've got, this is the template for our new over-the-range microwave is just thrown in here. My kids' Easter baskets are thrown in here. Garbage, like it's just, my cats hide out in here because they hate the dog. So I've got all their food and everything in here because they do not want to be around the dog. And this is all decor items, pictures, whatever that has come off of the walls in the living room or the kitchen or the hallway, whatever, and currently has no home. I've got shopping here. I have in this box down here is a Shein haul that I have yet to film for you guys, that I've had just sitting in that box for a couple of weeks now. I'm actually wearing some jeans that I got from it. I do need to film that as well. And I got more stuff. Like it's just it's a disaster. So like I said, today I really want to focus on finding homes for everything, because now for the most part the renovations are for the most part complete, and I'm going to be showing you guys some videos from that process coming soon. But now we're at the point where I can start finding homes for things and getting rid of some things, decluttering, deciding what I'm really going to use and what I'm not. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get on into it.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
Well, as I was editing this, I was realizing, look at how much dust is just getting all kicked up as I'm picking up all these clothes. First of all, my camera has a smudge on it, but other than that, you can just see all of the dust flying around the room. I was so grossed out while I was editing this, and I'm just like, I cannot allow this room to get like this anymore, because that is gross.
'Cause I need you. staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. And you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you. And you got me too.
So on my other channel where I talk exclusively about books, I did a huge book unhaul a few videos ago, and these were all the books that I took off of my shelves in the living room that I decided I no longer want. And I usually just store them up here in the bottom of my dresser until I get enough that I can put them all in a box and donate them to my local library. So I definitely had enough, so I went ahead and packed all those up. And I found a bunch of other stuff underneath my dresser that had fallen in behind, so I had to pick all that up too. So now we're going to tackle this crazy dresser that is always a mess, but it was really a mess this time, and I have to find homes for all of that stuff. Now we are actually moving into the next day because mom life. I wasn't able to finish all of this in one day before my kids demanded my attention, and I wasn't able to get back to it. So I ended up at the end of the night, I came into my room and I realized I had started my laundry and I didn't finish it. So I went down to the dryer. I just grabbed it all, and right before I went to bed, I just put all my sheets back on my bed. And I was like, whatever, I'll just finish making the video tomorrow. So this is obviously the next day as we're finishing this video.
For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, 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 maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light.
All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the after now. I am very, very happy with how it all turned out. As you can see, there's no more clothes on the floor. There's much less dust around the room. There probably is more areas that I could have dusted, but I'm really happy with this for now because, like I said, I had just been living in this room like this for weeks, and it just feels so nice to have a nice clean room where I can wake up in the morning and feel inspired and not just feel like I'm starting my day off on the wrong foot, because you wake up into into a messy room, and it doesn't help when you're trying to start your day out right. So I really hope that I was able to give you guys some motivation in today's video. If I did, I would love it if you would go ahead and hit the like button or leave me a comment. The engagement really helps my channel to grow. And of course, if you have not yet done so, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button as well. We're slowly on our way to 3,000, and I cannot wait to get there. I'm very, very excited for that. So I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. Like I said, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to chat with you in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see